Teachers need to be ready for so many different types of crazy and unsafe situations. Learning some ASL for emergencies is really helpful. So let's start with don't. Don't uses the open A hand position. A, open A, and your dominant hand, your boss hand, is going to move out from underneath your chin one time in a strong movement. Don't. This also means not. Touch. Your dominant hand is going to be an open 8, which means that the middle finger is forward and down, and your other hand is going to be a 5, just relaxed, palm down. You're going to touch your middle finger to the back of that hand one time. Touch. Move. Both hands are using the squashy O hand shape, and you're moving back and forth with both palms downwards. Move. Make sure that they are coordinated and working together and not moving around separately. That has a different meaning. Move. Stay here. Stay uses the Y hand shapes, pinkies and thumbs out, and you're moving the hand palm down in front of you one time. Stay. This can also be used directionally. Stay over there. Stay over there. Stay over here. Go quickly. This is not the same sign as evacuate, but it means get away from here and move it. We're going to use our non-dominant hand in a 1 hand shape held sideways. My dominant hand is going to start with an L hand shape. I'm going to put the thumb touching the top of this finger, and then I'm going to pinch these fingers together as I move forward. Go quickly. Careful. Careful uses the K hand shapes, which means the thumbs are touching the middle fingers. Your dominant hand is on top, and you're going to keep contact between the hands the entire time. You're going to move both hands together, up, forward, down, and back. It's a circle that moves forward. Careful. Be careful.